What is up guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas, back once again for another episode of Apt, kung saan pag-uusapan natin ang mga recommended applications natin dito sa ating featured device. At ang featured device natin ngayon ay walang iba kundi ang Vivo V19 Neo. So yan, bagong-bago guys, fresh na fresh out of the box. And for today's episode, 5 ang pag-uusapan natin na applications. Ganun pa rin, no? At syempre, meron tayong mga bonus apps. Some of the applications here, probably alam nyo na. Yung iba naman siguro baka hindi pa, or baka nakita nyo one time at hindi nyo na lang siya pinansin at hindi nyo din-download. No? Since this one is an Android device, this one has a Play Store where you can actually download all of the applications that we will be telling you for today. Sabi nga ng kaibigan ko na si Louis Jackson of Gadget, sabi niya, Gian, why don't you put some links to the applications that you are actually recommending? And that's what we're going to do for today. So we will be putting all the links down below if you wish to download all of them. Of course, no, meron tayong mga chapters sa ilalim ng ating pong video. So if you wish to skip some applications, you can just simply do that. Alright, so the first application I'm going to recommend is none other than Sound Meter. Gusto mo bang malaman kung gaano kaingay sa kwarto mo? O gusto mo bang malaman kung gaano kaingay yung fans ng computer mo? O kaya naman halimbawa gusto mong malaman din o i-benchmark kung gaano kalakas yung bago mong smartphone na binili halimbawa ng ate mo o ng kapatid mo, no? With this application, you can do that. It tells you kung anong decibel. It also tells you kung ano yung kauri in terms of decibel, na kung ano yung ingay na nasasagap niya. Halimbawa, right now, it says here it's 60 decibels because of my voice. At sabi niya, conversation daw yun. Regular conversation. Quiet office daw is about 40 to 50 decibels. It even gives you or shows you a pretty nice graph at the bottom. No? So this is our first application called Sound Meter. You'll find this very useful soon or kapag kinailangan mo siya. Right? So that is the first one. Alright, so the next application I'm going to recommend is none other than Resplash. If you are looking for an application na pwede kang mag-download ng mga free or royalty-free photos na pwede mong gamitin on your Facebook page or gusto mong i-post sa iyong Instagram, gusto mong lagyan ng quotation, no? It's the application you actually are looking for. So you just simply have to download this. They're in partnership with Unsplash. You can just look for photos that you want to use. For example, I want a photo of this airplane. And if I want that, pwede ko naman siyang i-heart, no? Or I can just simply download it. Okay? Let's go and click download. And you will notice sa taas, no, meron siyang download notification kung gaano katagal ang download niya. Alright? And remember, these photos are high resolution. Kaya medyo matagal. Malaki yung mga files ito. Nasa 3 MB to sometimes 24 MB. Ganun kalaki yung mga files. Now, simply because these are high resolution photos which you can use for either commercial or non-commercial use. So it's all up to you. So this is the photo we just downloaded. As you can see, it's really high definition. Bagay na bagay yan sa yung Vivo V19 na bago. And then that's it. Once you're done with that, just simply exit, go to gallery. Let's click more. Let's set it as wallpaper. And you can now resize if you want. You can just simply focus on that portion and press OK. And that's it. No? Siya na ang ating wallpaper. It looks really nice because it's high definition. And there's a lot of photos you can choose from with this app right here. That is Resplash. Again, Resplash is free. Same thing with Sound Meter. Okay? Those are the first 2 applications. Let's now proceed with the next one. This is my personal favorite as well. This is called Just Rain. Okay, magsuswitch ng konti yung ating screen. Alright, so this is Just Rain. Now, Just Rain is pretty simple. Okay, I will ilalapit ko ng konti yung microphone ko dito. Simple yung app na to. No? Ang gusto lang niyang sabihin is that this is an app that simulates the sound of rainfall. Okay? So, kapag halimbawa, pinrest mo at hinold mo pababa, the lower your finger would be on your screen, And this orientation, the louder or mas maraming droplet ng rain ang maririnig mo. Pag tinaas mo naman, no rain. Okay? And then, slide down, more rain. Diba? So, that's how you make an application. It's very simple, minimalist. It does what's advertised. Kaya nga naman kapag pinuntahan mo yung Play Store at pag hinanap mo halimbawa yung Just Ring, it would tell you that this one has over 1 million downloads, guys. 1 million. 4.5 stars. Alright, so again, you know, sometimes the simple ones, if it's very useful, would be really a big hit, you know, for a lot of mobile users. Alright, so that is our third application, Just Rain. Alright, so the next application I'm going to recommend is none other than PayMaya. Alam niyo na to guys, no? But PayMaya for me, this is not a sponsored video in any way. But I always tell my friends, my family, guys, sa panahon ngayon, kapag ka-COVID, kapag halimbawa merong ganyan banta sa buhay natin, mahirap maglalabas. Kung kailangan mo na ng padala ng pera, you might as well use an application that would allow you to do that. And what I do is kapag kailangan ko halimbawa mag-withdraw, quote-unquote, from my bank to PayMaya, I don't need to go out anymore. I just need to get my wallet, get my card, i-prepare ko lang yung ATM card ko sa PayMaya, and then I can already add money. There's a cost, yeah, 30 pesos, sabi nga nila, no, medyo malaki, but you would have probably spent the same thing kapag lumabas ka ng bahay. So, I think yung convenience fee, marami nagreklamo dyan, no, pero for me kasi medyo nasanay na rin ako, no? Kasi kung lalabas naman ako, ganun din naman, convenient naman kasi talaga, nasa loob lang ako ng bahay. And I think for the operation of PayMaya, that's going to be also very important. So, ang technique doon is kung mag-withdraw ka ng pera, mag-a-add ka ng money from your ATM, dagdagan mo na. Ayan, so nakita niyo yung available balance ko, no? At yung mga napadalhan ko, ano rin yung ginawa ko, nag-reset ako ng password kanina. And as you can see, there are ways for you to pay your bills. Napakadaming pwede mong bayaran. Diyan ako nagbabayad, no? Pwede ka mag-load ng kakilala mo. Okay? Kasi meron silang konting kita. Halimbawa, 20 pesos na regular load. Pwede mong ibenta lang ng 19, no? Kung gusto mong kumita ng konti, gawin mong 20, di meron kang 1 peso na kickback, no? May mga ganun tipo mga konting entrepreneurial things na pwede mong gawin. Meron din food, no? Ano ba yung mga PayMaya preferred merchants na available? Gaming pins, kung kailangan mong bumili ng pin, Garena, nandyan, Play Park, Mew Origin 2, nandyan. Alam ko Steam nandito din, hindi ako nagkakamali eh. Right, so yeah, no? Lots of things to choose from, very convenient application. So if you're looking for something na ganito, no, ang hinahanap mo, pay your bills, everything dito, no? Even Western Union nandito na rin. So that is the fourth one, that is PayMaya. Okay, please shout out below kung gumagamit kayo ng PayMaya application. Next, fifth, no, pag-usapan natin ang Google Family Link. Okay. Nabanggit ko na siguro to sa una kong mga videos, but just to let you know, yung Google Family Link is very important for me because there are times na yung mga anak ko is kapag yung kanilang telepono na ginagamit, they are below 18 years old by the way, minsan sumusobra sa oras, no? Being a 10-year-old kid, I don't want them to really get exposed sa screen ng sobrang tagal. I give them 1 hour per day. Yun na yun, 1 hour per day. I can easily do that with Family Link. No? With Family Link, I can set their maximum time to use their devices. Okay? So I have here my 2 kids. I have Mateo and Pero. No? Si Pero, he has several devices and is given only several minutes per day. No? I can even track where he is with this application. Sa bahay lang naman kami, no? Pero sa panahon ngayon, minsan dahil busy rin kami, yung mga bata minsan hindi mo rin makakausap lagi. And one way for them to be deterred in using their devices for too long, is to set a timer. They can always come in here and tell me, Dida, my time is up. That's pretty useful for me. Lalo na ngayon, malapit nang magpasukan, devices will be very useful for them because ang mga eskwelahan ngayon ay nagsuswitch to remote learning. Okay? Minsan, telepono, madidistract sila. kasi gagamitin yung telepono rather than them learning, no? So my suggestion there, if kung gumagamit sila halimbawa ng Android device, please, no, try to learn how to use this. Download this application. It's actually a free application, and I highly encourage you to actually go and check it out. Right? So, yun lang naman ang ating top 5. Ano ba yung pang top 6 ko? No? Kung meron ako halimbawa na gustong i-recommend, syempre walang iba kundi ang Google Tasks. Kahit tayo ay nasa loob lang ng bahay, minsan may malilimutan ka ng mga tasks na gawin. And it's always best to always list down your tasks. And my recommendation here is either get Google Tasks, which you can download, or you can also download Microsoft To Do, which syncs with your Microsoft Windows if you're using Microsoft Windows at home. In this case, this Google Task is pretty useful for me because I can always take a look at this. No? I can even add this as one of my widgets. I just simply hold this and then go to widget. Ayan, hanapin ko dito, search, list, there you go. There. I have a list here. I can resize and I can already see the tasks that I need to finish within the day. Okay? So that's it, guys. This has been our second episode of Apt, where we talk about the applications that we're recommending on our featured device. And our featured device is none other than the Vivo V19 Neo in Crystal White. Let us know in the comment section down below kung ano po yung mga suggested applications na meron kayo. Ngayon, if you want to know more about Vivo V19 Neo, you can also go check it out below. Nandiyan rin yung links. And also, kung allowed na kami at tapos na ang embargo namin to tell you about the price, nandun na rin sa baba yung presyo. No? And if you want to join our current giveaway for the month of June, go check out the instructions below on how you can win one. Again, this has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon on our next episode. Bye!